Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of replacing the cable on your Dyson Supersonic hairdryer. This repair can be done at home with a few specific tools. Let's get started. Tools you'll need: 1. Phillips screwdriver. 2. Flathead screwdriver. 3. Pliers. 4. A new replacement cable. 5. A clean cloth for internal cleaning. 6. Safety gloves. Step 1. Prepare your work area. Ensure that you have a clean, well-lit area to work in. It's important to keep your tools organized and have all necessary items within reach before you begin the repair. Step 2. Disassemble the hairdryer. Start by unplugging the device. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws located at the base of the handle. Keep these screws safe as you will need them later. Gently pull apart the two halves of the handle to access the internal components. Step 3. Remove the old cable. Once the handle is open, locate the cable connection points. You may see some clips securing the cable in place. Use your flathead screwdriver to gently pry these clips away, and then carefully disconnect the old cable from the circuit board. Step 4. Clean the interior. Before installing the new cable, take a moment to clean the internal components. Use a clean cloth to wipe away any dust or debris that may have accumulated inside the dryer. This will ensure optimal performance and longevity of your device. Step 5. Install the new cable. Take your new replacement cable and carefully thread it through the same pathway as the old one. Connect it to the circuit board, making sure it's securely fastened. If you don't have the tools or are uncertain about doing this yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our technicians can assist you without any hassle. Step 6. Reassemble the hairdryer. Once the new cable is in place, gently put the two halves of the handle back together. Make sure that everything fits snugly. Then, use the Phillips screwdriver to reinsert the screws you removed earlier. Make sure they are tight, but be careful not to over-tighten as this can damage the plastic. Step 7. Test your hairdryer. Before you consider the job done, plug in your Dyson Supersonic and turn it on. Check that the new cable is functioning correctly and that there are no issues with the power supply. If everything works well, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the cable. Step 8. Need help? If at any point you feel uncertain, don't hesitate to reach out. We provide pickup and delivery at your home for repairs. This means no calls, no travel, just convenience at your fingertips. Plus, we always provide a quote before any repair is initiated, ensuring transparency in our service. Now you know how to replace the cable on your Dyson Supersonic hairdryer. With the right tools and a bit of patience, this can be a straightforward task that saves you time and money. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.